Ginkgo biloba, commonly known as ginkgo, is a plant renowned for its rich antioxidant content. These antioxidants may help combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support overall cardiovascular, brain, and eye health. While many health claims exist, it is important to note that scientific research on Ginkgo biloba is still limited, and more studies are needed to confirm its effectiveness. Native to China, ginkgo is sometimes called a living fossil because it is the only surviving species of an ancient group of trees. For thousands of years, its leaves and seeds have been used in traditional Chinese medicine to support various aspects of health. Today, most modern research focuses on standardized ginkgo leaf extract, which is used in dietary supplements worldwide. Ginkgo biloba supplements are commonly promoted for enhancing cognitive function, improving memory, and supporting healthy blood circulation. Some studies suggest it may have potential benefits for conditions related to cognitive decline and circulation issues, although results can vary. Understanding the possible benefits of Ginkgo biloba can help individuals make informed decisions about incorporating it into their wellness routine. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement to ensure safety and appropriateness for your personal health needs. 1. Contains powerful antioxidants. One of the key benefits of Ginkgo biloba is its rich antioxidant content. Ginkgo leaves contain high levels of flavonoids and terpenoids, compounds recognized for their potent antioxidant effects. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. While ginkgo's antioxidant properties are promising, the extent of their impact on overall health remains under investigation. More research is needed to fully understand how these compounds translate into measurable health benefits. 2. May help reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a natural process through which the body responds to injury or foreign invaders. During this response, the immune system activates various mechanisms to repair tissues and fight off harmful substances. Emerging research indicates that Ginkgo biloba extract may help reduce markers of inflammation in both human and animal studies across several disease conditions. Although these findings are encouraging, larger-scale human studies are necessary to confirm the effectiveness of ginkgo in managing inflammation-related health issues. 3. Supports circulation and heart health. Ginkgo biloba may contribute to improved blood circulation, which is thought to underlie many of its potential health benefits. Traditional Chinese medicine has long used ginkgo seeds to support the flow of energy to key organ systems, including the brain, liver, lungs, and kidneys. Modern research suggests that ginkgo extract can enhance blood flow in certain individuals. For example, a 2008 study in people with heart disease observed an immediate increase in circulation, attributed to a 12% rise in circulating nitric oxide, a compound that helps dilate blood vessels. While these findings are promising, more comprehensive research is required to fully understand ginkgo's effects on cardiovascular and brain health. 4. May reduce symptoms of psychiatric disorders and dementia. Ginkgo biloba is often studied for its potential effects on anxiety, stress, and age-related cognitive decline, including Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. Research results have been mixed, with some studies reporting improvements and others showing minimal impact. A 2016 review of 21 studies suggested that, when combined with conventional medication, ginkgo extract may enhance functional abilities in individuals with mild Alzheimer's disease. Similarly, a 2018 review of 4 studies found a significant reduction in a range of dementia-related symptoms after 22 to 24 weeks of ginkgo supplementation. Although it is too early to draw definitive conclusions about ginkgo's role in treating dementia, emerging research indicates it may offer supportive benefits, particularly when used alongside standard treatments. 5. May support brain function and overall well-being. Some research suggests that Ginkgo biloba could enhance cognitive function and contribute to a sense of well-being in certain individuals. A study from 2002 indicated potential improvements in mental performance and self-perceived well-being with ginkgo supplementation. However, a 2012 review of multiple studies found no measurable improvements in memory, executive function, or attention. While ginkgo may offer subtle cognitive benefits, further high-quality research is necessary to confirm its effectiveness. 6. May help reduce anxiety. Emerging evidence from animal studies in 2015 and 2018 indicates that Ginkgo biloba's antioxidant compounds may contribute to reduced anxiety symptoms. While these findings are promising, there is currently insufficient evidence in humans to draw definitive conclusions about ginkgo's impact on anxiety. 7. Potential support for depression. Ginkgo biloba may also provide supportive benefits for individuals experiencing depression, particularly when combined with conventional treatments. A 2018 study in older adults found that ginkgo extract, alongside an antidepressant, improved depressive symptoms and lowered levels of S100B, a marker linked to brain injury. Similarly, a 2019 study reported that post-stroke patients taking ginkgo extract with antidepressants for 8 weeks experienced greater reductions in depressive symptoms compared to medication alone. Despite these encouraging results, depression is a complex condition influenced by multiple factors. More research is needed to understand the precise role Ginkgo biloba may play in supporting mental health. 8. Supports vision and eye health. Research on Ginkgo biloba's effects on vision and eye health is limited. A 2018 review found that individuals with glaucoma who took ginkgo supplements experienced increased blood flow to the eyes, although this did not necessarily result in improved vision. Similarly, a 2013 review of 2 studies investigated ginkgo's impact on age-related macular degeneration. Some participants reported slight improvements in vision, but results were not statistically significant overall. These findings may be linked to ginkgo's ability to enhance ocular blood flow. At present, it remains unclear whether ginkgo can improve vision in healthy individuals or slow the progression of degenerative eye diseases, and further research is needed. 9. May help treat headaches and migraines. Although evidence is limited, Ginkgo biloba may provide relief for certain types of headaches and migraines. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties could help reduce symptoms caused by stress. Additionally, ginkgo's ability to dilate blood vessels may improve circulation-related headaches. However, for migraines caused by excessive dilation of blood vessels, ginkgo may offer little benefit. More research is required to determine its overall effectiveness in headache and migraine management. 10. May improve asthma and COPD symptoms. Ginkgo biloba's anti-inflammatory compounds may also support respiratory health. Preliminary research suggests that ginkgo could help reduce airway inflammation and increase lung capacity in individuals with asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. For example, a 2007 study involving 75 participants found that ginkgo extract, used alongside standard glucocorticosteroid therapy, significantly lowered levels of inflammatory compounds compared to medication alone. Further studies are needed to confirm ginkgo's role in managing respiratory conditions. 11. May reduce premenstrual syndrome, PMS, symptoms. Early research indicates that Ginkgo biloba may alleviate both physical and psychological symptoms associated with PMS. A 2009 study of 85 college students reported a 23% reduction in PMS symptoms among those taking ginkgo, compared to an 8.8% reduction in the placebo group. While these findings are promising, additional research is necessary to fully understand how ginkgo may influence PMS and the underlying mechanisms involved. 12. May support sexual health. Ginkgo biloba has been studied for its potential to improve aspects of sexual function, including erectile dysfunction and low libido. Its ability to increase nitric oxide levels in the blood may enhance circulation, which could theoretically support sexual function. Some research has explored ginkgo's role in sexual dysfunction caused by antidepressant medications. A 2021 study found that ginkgo was no more effective than a placebo in these cases, and there may be interactions with SSRI medications that could reduce their effectiveness. Additionally, a 2008 study examined women undergoing sexual psychotherapy and found that combining ginkgo supplementation with therapy improved sexual desire and satisfaction over the long term, whereas ginkgo alone was not effective. Overall, current evidence does not support using Ginkgo biloba as a standalone treatment for sexual dysfunction. Potential side effects. Before taking Ginkgo biloba, it is important to consult a healthcare professional. Ginkgo may cause adverse effects in some individuals, particularly those with allergies to alkylphenols. Possible side effects include upset stomach, constipation, headache, dizziness, palpitations, Allergic skin reactions. Ginkgo may also interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, e.g., warfarin, aspirin, antidepressants, SSRIs, MAOIs such as Prozac or Zoloft, NSAIDs, e.g., ibuprofen, naproxen, dosage and supplement forms. Ginkgo biloba is commonly available as capsules, tablets, liquid extracts, and dried leaves or tea. Most research uses purified ginkgo leaf extract. Raw ginkgo seeds should not be consumed, as they are toxic. There is no universally defined maximum dosage. It is recommended to start with a lower dose to assess tolerance and consult a healthcare professional for guidance. Due to limited research in humans, the safe dosage range for ginkgo remains unclear. Ginkgo biloba offers several potential health benefits, including antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, support for circulation, and possible cognitive and eye health improvements. However, despite its long history of use, scientific evidence remains limited, and study results are often inconsistent or inconclusive. As with any herbal supplement, ginkgo may pose risks, especially for individuals with allergies or those taking medications such as blood thinners, antidepressants, or NSAIDs. Always consult a healthcare professional before incorporating ginkgo into your health regimen to ensure safety and appropriateness for your individual needs. Take action for your health. Talk to your doctor before starting ginkgo or any new supplement. Monitor your response carefully if you decide to try ginkgo, and report any adverse effects. Combine a healthy lifestyle, including balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and stress management, with supplements for optimal results. Stay informed about the latest scientific research on ginkgo biloba and other herbal remedies. By understanding the potential benefits and risks, you can make informed decisions that support your long-term health and well-being.